When it comes to a place I have visited where I can see interesting animal, Hanoi National Park come to my mind. If I'm not mistaken, I visit a national park famous for its many interesting animal. I went there on a school trip a few months ago. The trip the trip helps me explore the national environment and explain my knowledge of wildlife. The the park is located in Hanoi. It is very spacious and designed to simulate the natural habitats of animals, allowing them to roam freely in limited area. I spent time observing different species and learn about their behaviors. I like dangerous animals such as tiger, lion, fox, and crocodile. Besides, I also like herbivores such as graphics, elephant, goats, and sheep. And watching them perform funny tricks, the park is home to many special, including poisonous snakes, birds, and adorable curtains such as panda. My visit to this park not only broadened my knowledge, but also gave me a great appearance for national and incredible diversity.